Hello. So my second round finish, I stuck my phone in the tree. It stuck. It's very comfortable. So my second round finish is around 1 hour 24 minute, 23 minute, something like that. But I saw the my all dhyan like now slowly get energy less. So second round is 1 hour 20 minute. So also here one time have to take the position change because it's very painful for me. I don't know. I need a rest 2 or 3 days, but I can't live in the between my practice. It's not my nature. If I think something, I never listen to me also. Yes, if my conscious mind thinks something to do, it's not listen body. Let it do. So, so God also helping me small. No, not small. God helped me a lot. So happy. It's okay. Uh, the second round was amazing. Very fast you go into the dhyana, and then I told you that I'm fighting now here and here, but this time is not like that. Slowly I'm understand more this thing, because how you think is not easy, seriously, but you don't have any option. When you don't have any option, you have this way only. You have to keep trying, okay? Because I don't have any option. I come for this only. So already now my mind again go down in Muladhara, then again is going, still is working for the Anahat Chakra, still blowing inside, trying to go inside, and Vishuddhi Chakra, Agya Chakra, Sahasrara Chakra still is playing here. Yeah, one thing happened here. Feel very shine on that time, but I small feel the some energy come from the Sahasrara, and he sent something here. I felt around 2 or 3 minutes happened this. I felt that's very positive because I heard some videos. After then, now I'm feeling that, oh wow, that's amazing, huh? So good experience also second round, but it's very painful. So first before I sit there, then I sit here. Now I need to check there because it's sunshine a lot on the mountain. And it will worry my car also very hot now. And it's worry about my wheel of the car. What wheel car is my wheel also going to finish? So let's see what happened. I have a plan to have a meditation today. 4 round only. I don't want to make more complicated health bad about me. So 4 round I will going to take around 6 hours. Enough. So let's check. God help. Now the mosquito come a lot in the second round. A lot. But I say I'm not going to touch. And after 1 hour I touch small my body. But my dhyan is completely fine. It's okay. No problem with that. But I'm little worried. That only. You know, sometimes you thought that what the stupid thing you're doing. Enjoy the life. Have a lots of women. Enjoy the girls. Food. Oh, my phone break. So sometimes I think that also, but When promise myself, I cannot deny because I always have lots of problem with this. I took the decision and I never regret that, and I do. I don't know why. It's just stubborn. I'm very stubborn guy. Very bad. Sometimes I suffer very bad. My life always in the trouble. Sometimes about the work also, in the family also. I left. When I left, I never regret. Sometimes I feel sad because the life is not good. People are very bad. I'm very good. I'm help. I'm nothing. But seriously, people are not good. Some are. The God people also there, man. So this thing is not easy for everyone. It's true. Because you're not born for this. You know, it's like you have a God touch in your body. You understand? The God touch your body. God is like you person. You are a person like that. Then only you can do this thing. Otherwise, you can't do. It's true. So you can't do this. It's true. When if you are a person who always like to go alone, or you don't like much people, you have some friend only. You like one friend only. My father also the same. My father have only one friend. I have also one friend only. I not make the friend. One two friend I make in the Vietnam, but you know how you are a person. It's a reality come by the time. You are a good or bad. Something, no? The reality get to know. Get automatically come. When it's come, your body is your body no, your soul not accepted the people. Whoever. Even your family, even your brother, even your best friend, whoever. When he feel that hurt by your soul, so you are uncut. So people say that we all are here for some connection, and when our connection finish, we leave. We big Rishi Muni, the monks say that we all are with each other just by the some connection about the last time, about last birth or something like that. I don't believe not like that. I'm convinced this. My heart convinced already that it's small true that you have something with some people and you spend some time with them and then you leave. The reason is whatever. Okay? It's no matter because without reason there's nothing will happen. So sometimes some people cheat, so you connect uncut. Some people is like family, you leave the family and you go to the work abroad and you live far away. So that's your connection with them but that time only. Okay, so everyone have a there's some connection about the last birth about a long time ago. They have to fix that, and whatever the money have to pay and what have to give the service for that person, you give and finish everything and then you go for your next. I don't know what I have to give here, people. I will not go India. I will I will be in Vietnam. Maybe another country or maybe something later, but not now. Still 5 years, no any plan to go. I just want to care people. There's some I'm trying to do learn something to help people. So hope the God help. If the help, okay. If not help, also we still fighting. Life. Life is like this only. Yes? For everyone. For mosquito also, for us also, for women also. All the human species. Okay, we all are spending time. We are here for some years. We rent this life for the 70, 80, 19 or 100. I don't know. But on that life, you use this all five tattva into the body, that air, fire, earth, water, and sky, space. If you use that by the doing, learn something about the nature, about the life, about the human being, about the soul and all. I think so. It can fix your next life. Now I don't, still I know, have any experience this whole thing, but I'm happy person. I listening this song, I feel cry. But I think Shiva Tattva come inside on me already. I don't know why. 2-3 days I listen, I feel cry. So there's a God or no God, this or that, it doesn't matter. The happiness that you are in is cool, is enlightenment. You are in already. I'm in already. And now let it go how deep you can go inside more and more to understand the nature about this and that, blah and blah. Okay. I have a third round is very difficult. Now I'm going to take a break 5-7 minutes. I think I'm very tired. Oh my, it's very painful. 11:26, 3 hours finish already. Okay, let us sit small. Okay, so talk more. Huh? This finish, second round finish is a very good round. The wheel chakra, now the chakra of the Sehasrara and Agya chakra and third eye. I'll tell you, share something. Huh? Now I see the blue lights because I finished the dhyan. Because in the meditation, I don't want to force anything. I don't want to accept a lot of things. No. When I do the meditation, I just keep quiet. I let it be happen naturally. Okay. So let I fix my leg. So my mobile is on my leg. So my conscience, my chetna very high now. I can do whatever I want. Okay. So how I finish my dhyan this time? I can feel lots of things, but finish dhyan. I say let I check now. I saw something from the outside, and then I let I. Then I again close my eyes like this, and then lock completely, and first see that place, and then I close my eyes. Then I focus on inside more and more. Oh my God! Before is around 2%. But now it's a 5%. And then I check and do it like this, and the blue is all blue lights. Oh, I say okay. Till about time he make me wait, don't worry. I'm still in. Obviously, when you go, you mustn't care about your health. But you have to be care your health, because if you not take care of, how can you breathe? You need good energy to connect. So now let's see. I fix some new place. I don't know. I'm little scared because there's some snake or something like that. Okay, let's see. The God will do whatever will do. Chalo. Now I'm get ready. 5 minutes. Bye. Take small exercise. Very painful.